mapagpalit ng Diyos at tayo po magbukas na po mga minamahal ng ating po mga pagkatao at akin na pong ibinibigay
reading and filling our minds and hearts and actually living the Word of God. So, not just sa mga banal gawain, Sunday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and some of us mga minamahal, di pa tayo nakakatin ng Wednesdays, Fridays, nakakatin tayo Sundays. So, it is very important that we take the time to actually read the Word of the Lord and to actually meditate in it and actually truly understand, for it said to rightly divide the Word. So we really try to study the Word of God, mga minamahal, so you can actually live it, because what is in our hearts, it would manifest, mga minamahal. It's said in the scriptures, like there's no secret thing that will not be blotted out. It will eventually spring forth, my beloved brothers and sisters. So read and read. If there are verses na sinabi ng beloved preachers, write it down. And when we get home, my beloved brothers and sisters, there's China, Taiwan, there's Philippines. Right now there's Israel. Israel is happening. The war with Israel and Iran and Hamas, the terrorist group in Israel. And now there's Ukraine and Russia. We gotta be aware, my brothers and sisters. Hindi po tayo distracted. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I have to say this, my brothers and sisters, because I'm gonna be a hypocrite if I don't preach this, my beloved brothers and sisters. But it is a reminder, it's a good reminder for everybody to be aware, my brothers and sisters. Malay natin mag-rapture na next week. Bukas, mamaya, mga minamahal. Because truly, rumors of war, what did it say?
All it takes is one moment and just one touch from you. I put aside all distractions, 'cause I can't